Well, today is Wednesday, the 22nd of September at 9:20 a.m. in Melbourne. We had a massive earthquake. The houses shook like crazy. The windows were rattling like mad. It lasted for about 10-20 seconds, something like that, or maybe at least 10-20 seconds. Oh my gosh, it was just so loud, so strong. Even some parts of the house and buildings, a few things fell apart, a few things fell off, a few things. All our neighbours went outside. They were surprised, all looking around about, yeah. So just keep in mind, at 9:20 a.m. on the 22nd of September, 2021, in the Melbourne suburbs, we had a massive earthquake tremor. I don't know about all the other people wherever you guys are, but where we are, we definitely had one. I don't know what the official media is going to be saying, but we had a massive earthquake. Houses were shaking like crazy. We all had to get out. We all ended up getting out of our houses to out in the open, out in the streets.